Next class is about calendar design. Okay, so name it calendar design. Calendar design in CorelDRAW. Okay, so number of pages. Okay, so actually I want 12 pages, right, for the 12 months, but there automatically there we create pages, required pages, right? So for time being, leave it as it is. Suppose the size is let us take the size actually. First check the size. Suppose 2 3 A4 size I'm taking. A4 size. Suppose this will go for the printing, so CMYK I'm using, and change this millimeters to inches. Okay, so these are the settings, right? Save. Okay, yes, this is now the calendar design. So first you have to prepare 12 beautiful pictures to insert into 12 pages, right? So already I have gathered 12 images, okay, and kept in my folder. I'll use those pics, right? So first let us create. How to create in CorelDRAW? To create calendars, there are scripts are available, right? So where are those scripts? So menu bar here, there are tools. Here it is showing scripts, okay. Then here, see run script, okay. So click on this. Here the macros. Suppose in the latest versions, the macro scripts are available. Otherwise, you have to download and install those scripts, right? So here at run macro, and here there is macro in. See here there are standard project is there, calendar wizard, okay. So color chart creator, and these are all the different macros scripts are available. From these I'm using calendar wizard. Click here and say run. Now see here, this is a ready-made calendar. Options are available here, okay. And name is the calendar, and year you can change which year. In a future year, for future purpose also you can create, right? But right now I'm using 2025. And suppose if you want only for 1 month, you can take any particular month, or otherwise say all. So all I want, and here see the calendar language, which language you want. Suppose these are the available languages are there, so I'm using English only, okay. And here see, if you want to define the new language, suppose if you click here and use any language, available language here, okay, this close your, and week starts on Sunday, and which day you want to start week actually. So you can click here, choose the starting week starts on Sunday, right? And suppose here holidays in 2025, in every month there is a specific holidays are there, okay. So you can use this one, holidays button. And suppose in January, generally for the South Indians, there are festivals are there, right? You can add those festivals. For example, I'm giving here, suppose a day 13th, okay, in the holiday name Bogi. It's called a festival, okay. And you can add into holidays list. And again the same January, and here I'm using 14th, and this is Sankranti. Sankranti, and add, and this is 15 and this is for Kanuma. It's a festival, right? So add, and 26 Republic Day. Okay, so you can add for other months also the same way, right? So here you can add this also and close this one. So it is added into that list, and here showing layout month. See here it is showing, right? If you want, you can expand this. Okay, so here see the holidays already we added 13, 14, 15. It is added, and the name also included. Okay, and if you want, you can change the entire setup. Okay, you can increase and decrease the calendar size also, right? Suppose here I'm using it's a top. You can click here. Now it is coming down, because in the top area there I'll use images. Here in the top portion, images will come, beautiful pics in all months, and each month the bottom the calendar will display, right? So you can use this left, top, right and bottom, right? The values automatically this will move. Okay, next layout month large. Okay, otherwise you can choose this. Okay, the previous month before January, the December, if you want, you can add here, and for the February, the next month also you can get here. Okay, or otherwise you can change this as per your idea. I think the first one is good. I'll change this one only. Next, see header, a large header. But the font, if you want, you can change the font. This I'm using. Save. OK. The font has been changed. The text color, suppose it is showing in black, you can choose this to red. Suppose this bright red. Save. OK. Change it to that color. The border, so above border if you want, you can add, or otherwise below, as per your requirement you can change all these things, right? Show year, suppose January 2025. And now see the height, suppose see the height of this one, to changing height. Yeah, for the year this much only enough, not more. Okay, highlight Sundays, so Sundays are highlighting in red. Okay, and here this font, the header font. The header font also, if you want, you can change. The Balu, suppose I am taking this, save. OK. This is bad, it is not looking good. I'll change this to a normal font. Yeah, I'll take this Apurva, or otherwise, yeah, this I'll take, save. OK. These are right, but should not be bold. I'll take this the normal Bookman old style. Yeah, this is okay. Then see here these lines, outlines, if you want you can add, or you can remove. And the position, top left or bottom left, see here, but you can use this only. The style, full word, so this is Monday, Tuesday, the full name here that is giving. So instead of that, the one letter or a short form, the short form is looking good, right? The short form I'm using. Okay, after that, body, this is a large body, it is horizontal or vertical. Now see, it is changing. So horizontal only looking good, and font, this is the font, this is okay. The text, so black and white. If you want, you can change this, otherwise no need to change. Okay, and here text position top right, here it is showing in the top right. Stop that. Center I am giving, the numbers are displaying in center, and see this box, show box around day numbers, and this is horizontal and vertical. Yeah, horizontal only I will take. Okay, if you want to change anything, you can change now. Yeah, hard list also added. Everything is good, perfect. No need to change anything. Okay, after that, simply what you do, generate. Yes, the finished generating the calendar. Say okay. It is generated. Now see, if you click here, now see automatically pages are 12 months pages are generated. 1 January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, right now here want to add some pictures, right? For that, first let us add some boundary line. Okay, here I want to place pics here. So one more boundary around the calendar area. So when you double click on this and the rectangle tool, automatically this boundary will fix around the out page. Okay, here in this I want to place. Let us copy for all the pages this one. Suppose this and this and this. I'll duplicate this one. Control C. I come here and Control V, paste, and this also I'll take. This is Control C and Control V. Well, let us place all these here. So Control V and Control V, Control V. So I am pasting in all pages. Otherwise, you can manage this by all the even numbers. So from the master page also you can include. If you want, there is another option also there. So this time I am using this Control C. Yeah, it is added there already, and here Control V. Okay. Otherwise, through master pages also you can include. Already I told you how to add in master pages. Okay, now right click here and import. There is a calendar. See, the pics are there, right? So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pictures, right? So as per your priority, as per your importance, you can give any pic. Suppose I use this one, import. So imported. Say this is my pic and make it big size. This much pic I want. This much pic I want, right? Now what I'll do, select this one and right click and power clip inside. Power clip is inside, but here I want to Control Z, power clip inside here, a small box, and now edit this one, or otherwise fit contents, okay, fit proportionately, or otherwise fit center, fit proportionately, yeah, this I want. Then come to another page 2 and right click here and import. So in a order I am taking, okay, and select this one, power clip inside, and use this one and fill proportionately. So fill and come to third page and right click and import again the third one, import, okay, and again do the same, power clip and fill proportionally, but here I want to move down, so edit this one, can move this pic down, finish. This is, otherwise I'll edit again. Yes, finish this one. Yeah, this is, and page 4, right click and import, and power clip inside and fill proportionally, Control Z, fill proportionally, power clip, and this I'm using, fill proportionally, yes. Now right click the next page 5, right click, import, this I'll take, import, okay, and power clip inside and fill proportionally, yeah, fill proportionally, but I want to edit properly, so edit this one, yes, this is, and edit this one, Yes, this is finish. Finish. This is, and now sixth phase, right click, import, and power clip inside, and fill proportionally. This is nice, but edit, so get this the main pic into that. Finish. Now come to seventh page, right click, import, and power clip inside, fill proportionally, and do the same for all. Okay, and edit this one. Yeah. Yeah, this is good. Next, page name, import, power clip inside, right, and 10, import, power clip inside, and page 11, import, power clip inside, okay, and edit this one. If you want to edit, you can select that edit button and get into that. Finish. Now come to last page, 12th. Power clip inside. Last one. Okay, and but edit, face should be inside. Finish. Okay, so now we have to save this one. If you want to add any colors, you can add here. That is an optional. And if you want give color, any color, the border color. Okay, here let us say I'm using the blue color, suppose. Okay, this border, if you want, you can change this to blue color. That's optional, and you can change this to 1 point. You can change this to 2 point also. This color edge. Otherwise, I don't want actually that outline, none. Actually, I don't want any outlines. I'll remove this outline, right? So for all the pages, none, page 3, and here none, page 4 also none, 5, none, yeah, removed outlines, right? Now want to save this, and don't try to save as a JPEGs. Suppose JPEGs, the 12 pages, they'll divide into 12 JPEG images, right? For the printing, suppose you are planning for the printing A4 size printing, you can plan it in PDF only. In PDF, it saves as a 1 by 1 pages, right? So how to do that? From file, you can export. Instead of JPEG here, choose the PDF, okay, and this is an export, and you can give the printer information, marks and all if you want, right? For cut marks and registration marks, everything, the bleed limit and all. Say OK. Now it is saving, right? It's already saved, and CorelDRAW file also I'm saving. It is saving. Yeah, saved. Now let us check the our file, PDF file. So this is the calendar. So I'm placing here. This is my file. Let us check this one. Now see, it's a beautiful, right? So January 2025. These are cut marks. You can cut your calendar here, here. Now see, and here the date information, Friday, July 18th, and year and time, right? Now see, your calendar is ready. And suppose here you see the holidays list, Bogi, Sankranti, and Kanuma, and Republic Day, all these, right? See, it's beautifully decorated and designed. This is the calendar from CorelDRAW. The another type of different calendars, suppose table calendars, how to design those type of calendar also I'll explain in the coming classes.